Today we're going to talk about the scourge of all Texans, all Southerners, and all people around the coastal area have these. This is the red imported fire ant. This came in from Brazil, the area of South America in the 1930s into Mobile, Alabama. In fact, they have a plaque in the exact area where they were they first came into the United States. These are a huge pest for people, agricultural people. They have a nasty little bite and sting. They have a special product in their stinger, little protein that makes little pustules on your body. Again, they're just a pain in the ass for a lot of people, but they're deadly for children, infants, and older people. In fact, you see here a lady who was in a nursing home that was eaten alive, pretty much almost killed. In fact, I've worked several cases where death in a nursing home caused by fire ants. So again, these are nasty little critters. I usually bait for these twice a year. It keeps them under control. You can use any type of product over the product that's bait. When you're picking out baits for your bait for your product before you use it, see the expiration date on it, because if it should have a I don't recommend smelling it or whatever, but it's usually have a nice fresh crispy nutty smell to it. If it smells rancid, it's not going to work. Again, they will not touch the rancid stuff. They like the fresh baits, and again, it pretty much takes care of everything in the yard, but again, you're not going to be able to take care of your neighbor's stuff. A couple of pieces of advice if you have any parents or anybody in a nursing home. One, make sure they don't have them bedded next to the outside wall. Make sure their bed is away from the outside wall. Two, if they don't eat in bed at all, because if they get crumbs and stuff, it'll be attractive to the ants, and either fecal material and urine will attract the ants to the person. So make sure they clean the bedding out and stuff, everything. But again, these are very nasty. Baiting will take care of it, maltreatments or whatever. But be careful with these things, especially the elderly and the young people or the babies itself, because they can get into the house and cause all kind of damage to a person that way. That's it for this program. I hope to see you later in another program. Thank you.
Bob is available to answer your questions and concerns about your urban pest control issues. Reach out to Bob by emailing him at bob@sitwithbob.com. Bob Sprague is not an attorney, or does he provide legal advice, nor does he treat or spray for pests. He does not consult specifically about bed bugs. Bob is not a toxicologist or able to provide specific advice regarding toxicology.